Hey guys, Jim Boyer here, marketing manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And I've got a nice Nissan 4x4 truck we're getting ready to put on a lot. I wanted to share it with you, so let's get to it. Okay guys, here it is. This is the money shot on this truck. It's a 2012 Nissan Frontier. It's a SL trim package. Now the engine in this, it's a nice engine, 4-liter V6, so you're going to have plenty of power with this thing. Beautiful color. Actually, we're calling it a maroon. And then on the inside of it, you're talking a leather interior. Wait till we get on there and show it to you. But you do have running boards on the truck. Get back here, we'll take a view of the back of it. And let me get a little bit closer and let's take a look inside the bed. Okay, here's the bed. So you see this gate in here, so I guess if you go to the buffet, you can throw your spouse or significant other back here if they've eaten too much. Maybe I shouldn't have said that, but I couldn't help it. But anyway, let's go ahead and continue. Now the sun's hitting on this side, and wow, I mean, does this collar just pop out? I mean, it's a beautiful, beautiful collar. Here you can see the running boards on it, dark tinted glass on it. And you can see right up on top. So now one thing I do want to point out, your mirrors, they are heated, so that's going to be great come winter time. Okay, so here's your back seat. You have quite a bit of leg room back here. That compartment opens up into a couple cup holders. And the best part about this, guys, look, yep, it's got a sunroof. So now it does have a shade that will pull closed, so that's great. Okay, so here we are on the front. Now you do have power seats on both sides. Over here, we show you the door panel. And let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay guys, here we are on the inside to show you the steering wheel and the instrument gauges. Let's get in here a little bit closer. And you can see the mileage on this is 129,319 miles on it. A couple things I'll point out to you. You do have controls on your left here. This is for your audio, for your stereo. Of course, your lights are right there on your stick. On the right side of the wheel is your cruise control, intermittent wipers, right there. Get over here to your command center. Stereo right up here. Go on down. And this truck does have heated seats, ladies and gentlemen. So your controls for your heated seats are right here and over here. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive control. Get down here, show you your gear shift. You have a couple cup holders, and you do have storage area right there. Let's take a peek in back. Okay, guys, here's your back seat. Now, it does have a few little wear and tear on your seat, but it's nothing that appears it's actually through. It's just a little bit of the collaring has been pulled off of it. But pan up here, there's your sunroof. Does have the shade that will pull shut, so that's really nice. And your lights up here. So that's pretty much the inside of the truck. It is very nice. Okay guys, that's it. That concludes our tour. 2012 Nissan Frontier SL trim, 4-liter V6 engine, sunroof. If you got any questions, feel free to give us a phone call up here. Telephone number, area code 740-992-4443. Come up, take a test drive. We've got a lot of lenders, banks are willing to loan money. A lot of times you can do this with no down payment. Just come in, sign your name on the paperwork, drive a vehicle home. It's that easy. So with that, hope you have a great day.